Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 9 minus 5 bracket 9 minus 5. So can you spot the hidden math trap in this expression? What people do, 9 minus 5 as 4 and 9 minus 5 as 4 and 4 times 4 as 16. What do you think? It's correct or incorrect? Yes, it's incorrect. Because when an expression like this, you have given multiple operations, subtraction, then bracket, in bracket there is a subtraction, then you have to always follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first solve the bracket, then of, then division, multiplication, both have same priority, similarly addition and subtraction. So first solve the bracket, 9 times 5 as 9 minus 5 as 4. Now we have two operations left, that is subtraction and multiplication. So we have to give priority to multiplication. So 9 minus 20, that is minus 11. So negative 11 is the correct answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.